Hi, hello, howdy, how you doing? My name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an awesome day, and today's video is very exciting. I'm super excited about this. So I bought a VIP Black Friday sale box from Glamlite. They've done two these mystery boxes before, but they sold out so fast that I wasn't able to get one. But the VIP Black Friday sale thing box from Glamlite I was able to get, and I'm super excited. So this box, let me check my receipt, I believe was $39. Yeah, this was $39, and you get to pick between you wanted their square palettes or their pizza palettes. I chose the pizza version. You get 2 mystery lashes, 2 other mystery things, and like a lip product of mystery color. And I am super excited. I've been loving Glamlite products. Like, I tried their liquid lipstick in a subscription box that I got, and I loved it. And then I tried their lashes, and I've tried the carne asada lashes and the deep dish lashes, and I love both those styles so much. So with shipping, this box came out to $44.99. So I'm hoping it was worth it. But because there's lashes in here, I'm feeling pretty confident. So let's go ahead and get started unboxing this beautiful box. Alright guys, so this is the box up close. Mine had some damage. I mean, it's kind of smooshed and torn, but hopefully everything in here is protected. So, oh, and one thing that really sold me on this, so it was like $44 is a lot of money. You get like a $10 gift card in here from Glamlite, which if I love a certain style of lashes that comes in here, I will probably rebuy those, or deep dish, because I love those. But let's go ahead and get started. This first thing appears to be our first pizza slice. So you get 2 palettes in this box. I chose the pizza ones, and I chose the pizza ones even though they're a weird shape because I really wanted the green one, and this is the green one, which is it's the pizza slice. I guess we'll see which the name of the style is. It's probably veggie pizza. I have never tried Glamlite eyeshadow. Of course, I've heard great things. People rave about it. I've talked a lot of crap about Glamlite just because it's super themed. And I'm like, does everything have to be food or like paint related? Like, I get they're super themey, and now I'm kind of into it. At first I was kind of like, why is it so gimmicky? And I'm like, at least you have your thing. So I'm feeling differently about Glamlite these days. I don't know how to open it. Can't. There's no like tab in here to pull. Okay. Oh, there's our pizza slice. I kind of wish there wasn't a box. Like, you don't need the box for this. It's kind of a waste of cardboard. Just like some of their packaging, like the lashes are kind of big. You don't need it. So this is our pizza box. That's pretty cute. If you hear jingling, it's the kitten we fostered, and I'm sorry, I don't know how to stop him from doing it. But this is the pizza slice. So this is, again, veggie lovers. I'm excited. Oh, it's so pretty. I love green eyeshadows lately, so this is the veggie slice, the veggie lovers pizza slice. There's a lot of shimmers in here. I mean, it's about half actually. This just looks like a lot because it's all to one side, but these are all matte. I'm into this. This looks super cute. I can't wait to try it. And I love the names. I know, I was like, why is everything food themed at first? But now I'm like, basil, like olives, yellow peppers, caramelized onions. Like, this is so cute. It's funny how our like taste changed and everything. I'm really into this now. It's a weird shape. It's gonna be really stupid to store, and I'm gonna be like complaining about it the entire time I'm trying to store this palette because it's weird. Like, you can't when you store it like this. It's weird. But the color scheme's really cute. The theming's really cute, and it's really unique. So this is the first thing in our box. I'm very happy I got the pizza slices. This color scheme just speaks to me more than their like little regular rectangular palettes do. Alrighty, so next up in here looks like a little selfie light thing. So this is the Glamlite X. It is a join the X movement and experience the next generation of personal lighting. So it clips to any phone. It's a selfie light. Like, you just clip it on the top of your phone. I have zero interest in this. I don't use selfies with my phone anymore. I just use it with my camera. So I don't have any interest in this selfie light, but maybe I can give it to someone who can like clip it to the top of their phone and actually need the lighting. Just a ring light for your phone. It's usually battery operated. That was a waste. I wish I had something else in there, but it's a mystery box. It's fine. Next up, I'm dying to try out the lashes. I almost dropped the box. So this is the Berger lashes. Berger lashes, and this is in the style Veggie Burger, which matches our Veggie Lovers pizza slice. Please be pretty. Please. They're pretty. Okay. I was looking on their like website, and I was like, are any of these lashes I wouldn't want? And all of them look like styles I would probably wear. So this is the Veggie Burger. I love the individual like little flary pieces. That's the kind of lashes I like these where they kind of like flare out. I cannot wait to try these on. They look super pretty. I think these retail for $12 each. So if I have 2 pairs of lashes in here, that's $24 value plus the palettes and everything else. I hope they do more mystery boxes because so far just the lashes and the palette alone, I'm like, I'm sold. I need another one. Alright, so next up is this big box. This is a Glamlite Caribbean Glow Body Luminizer. I don't really use body highlight because, you know, sometimes after I go out, I just want to pass out and lay in bed and not take a shower immediately. I don't want to get my sheets covered in luminizer. But let's see what it is anyways. Let's see what color it is, I guess. There might be more than one color of these. So the Caribbean Glow, oh, that's dark. That's not going to work for my body. It's a pretty gold color. It's a nice looking body luminizer. However, I'm going to save this and give it to someone else who could use this color. Oh, I guess it's called Body Bling. That's the name of the shade. It's way too dark, but it is coconut infused. And I like coconut scents. I just wish this was lighter and that it wasn't a body luminizer at all. Maybe a different pair of lashes. I don't know. But this is the next thing. Overall, I like the palette and the lashes so far, and the gift card, of course. And I don't really care for these two things, but I'm not, like, disappointed because, again, mystery box. I'm not too disappointed yet. Next up is another pair of lashes. I'm dying. I love lashes so much. And both pairs of Glamlite lashes I've tried so far, I'm in love with, so I'm super excited to try these. So these are the Paint Spa lashes. Very cheesy. Very cheesy. These are in the style Blue, named after paint shades. These are gorgeous. These remind me of deep dish with like a little bit less of like the separation. These are so pretty. Can we see those? I cannot wait to wear these. Because again, they have like a nice evenly full fluffiness and they have like little tiny areas that flare out more than others. Oh my gosh. The deep dish ones are just like these except a little bit more separated. I am into this. These lashes look really, really pretty. I'm hoping the band on these is good because I haven't tried the Berger style or the paint style. I've only tried the pizza style and the taco style. So I haven't tried these styles, but the bands are anything like the other ones. I'm really going to enjoy those lashes. Next up in here, I knew we were getting this. It is a eyeliner. So this is a waterproof calligrapher eyeliner by Glamlite. This is less themey than the rest of their things. It's just kind of like a feather quill calligrapher eyeliner pen. I'm not going to open it just because I don't want it to dry out on me if I don't open it right away. But I will probably use this when I run out of my current eyeliner. I'm using the Suic'de double-ended eyeliner right now. We got an Ipsy. But after that one, I might try this one next. Okay, next thing in here is a magnet. It says, I heart pizza. Is a magnet. I'm going to put this on my fridge. I don't have any magnets on my fridge. I don't have anything on my fridge. Now I have a magnet. And this is like, your epic pizza has arrived. You can use Glam 15 for 15% off. And then Giselle Hernandez is the owner of Glamlite. Okay. Next up in here is our mystery lip product. And it looks like a nudie color. I'm going to have to open it to tell. So this is a Glamlite liquid lipstick. Bon Appetit. And it is a nude color. But it looks a little warm. Usually even like cool tone nude colors come off kind of warm on me because I am so cool. But we're going to swatch this one anyways. It has the mirror just like the pizza red lipstick that I have from them. But Bon Appetit is the shade name. We're going to swatch this out. It's very peachy. Whew, sorry about that. It's very peachy. So this is the shade. I'm going to let this just sit on my hand and dry down, but that's the shade. It's like a nudie peach kind of color. Kind of into it. I might wear it. I might not. I don't know. Kind of reminds me of your Christmas cookies. Like how that looks really cool on some people and looks really warm on me. This kind of reminds me of Christmas cookies. Just a little bit more pink. And lastly, we have our other pizza slice. And I believe this one's like a pinky red color. I kind of just paid attention to the green one, honestly. So let's open this one up. It is like a pinky purpley kind of color. This might be like a Meat Lovers or like a Supreme. We're going to open it up and find out. Okay, so this one is Meat Lovers. It kind of got stuck to the box. The picture on the front of the box, though, that doesn't look like a Meat Lovers. But this does. So this is the Glamlite Meat Lovers box. Okay, the boxes do look different than the other box. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm not really into warm colors right now, but this is the color scheme. I'm into this. That's beautiful. And then these shimmers, that looks like bacon. That looks really pretty for on the lid. And so does the other one called chicken. That looks really pretty. So this is a beautiful palette. Maybe I'll save this and put this in like one of my months like palettes I'm going to try to use. Like I do that for the month now. So this is really cute. A couple of like probably like this shade and this shade I probably wouldn't get too much use out of. But the rest of it I think I could use pretty decently. This is really cute. The shimmers in here look stunning. Looks stunning. I'm going to go ahead and like, let's swatch the green one because I know I'll use that first. Huh. I like tried to open it and my nail, like this thing came down and hit my nail. And now I have a huge chunk out of the shade Garlic. And it's all under my finger now. So that's fun. So I guess to smooth down this giant gaping hole that I put inside Garlic, that is so sad. That's so sad. Can I smoosh it around and like fill it in? It's so sad. That's such a beautiful color. So this is Garlic because we've already ruined it. Looks like this. And then, ooh, it's a little chunky, but swatched out on the hand, that's what it looks like. And then let's swatch a matte as well. Let's do Basil, which is this really pretty matte green. Really pigmented on the hand. And then swatched out. It's not really the best swatch in the world. Just kind of like, it looks okay, honestly, but greens are usually pretty dry anyway, so we'll have to like test it on the eyes. But again, I think I love the veggie one a lot more than the meat lovers, but the meat lovers is still really pretty and I can get a lot of unique looks out of it, especially like the fuchsia color. But the green, I can't believe I ruined it. I never do that, and that's a big chunk. Like, it had to be my thumb that hit it, right? Anyways, let's go over everything that we got in this box. Alright, so in this box that cost $45 or $39 without shipping, this is the veggie slice. I love it. I can't believe I ruined it with my fingernail, but this is so cute. Why did I have to bring a kitten into this house? Like, why do we have to foster a kitten? He does nothing but make noise. And I'm trying to work. Ugh. Ugh, but he's so cute. Okay, so this is the Meat Lovers slice. Really pretty. We have a calligrapher eyeliner, which is nice. I haven't tried it out yet, but it looks nice. We have a Bon Appetit liquid lipstick, which dries down like this, and it's very, like, smear proof. We also have a little magnet. That's very nice. We got a selfie light. I have zero room in my life for this. I don't want it. We have a body glow. I like the coconutty scent probably, but I haven't tried it because it's too dark for me. And we also have a $10 gift card. And I think that's it. Oh, plus the 2 lashes, which is the most exciting thing in here. And I don't know, I almost forgot it. So 2 palettes, a selfie light, a body glow, an eyeliner, a liquid lipstick, a $10 gift card, and 2 pairs of lashes, $45. That's a great value. I'm really into this. I think it's an amazing box. Honestly, for $45, the palettes alone are probably worth that value. And then lashes and everything else too. I'm very excited. I cannot wait to use the lashes and that green palette, honestly. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got one of these boxes, please let me know if you enjoyed it, or any of the previous boxes I couldn't get my hands on. I would love to know what you think, and if they do another one, I totally want another one because these are really good value for $39. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.